equation, you discover that the coefficients of A and B are not the same. So what do we do in this instance? For me, I always want to use the coefficients that are smaller to make my work fast. So if I compare A and B, you discover that B has smaller coefficients. The first is 1A. B standing is the same thing as 1B. But that's tautology in mathematics. We don't always write 1B, right? And the second coefficient here is 2. Okay, so if I am going to use the elimination method, this is what I will do. I'll take the coefficient of B in the second equation, which is 2, and use it to multiply equation 1. Are we good? Now, when that is done, I'll leave that aside. And I will also take the coefficient of B in equation 1 and use it to multiply equation 2. So just follow the arrow signs. Okay, so we multiply equation 1 with 2. This is going to be 2 times 2a, 4a, plus 1 times 2 will be 2b equals 14. So we take that as equation 3. Now, the same thing happens to equation 2. Multiplying by 1, this will be 3a minus 2b equals 3. And that is equation 4. Now, if I'm going to eliminate b, what will I do? If I look at b, b has different signs, plus and minus. So what I'll just do is just add. So if I add, I will have this as 7a. This will go to 0, and this will give me 17. Are we okay? So if you divide both sides by 7, we are going to have this as 17 over 7. If you want to express that in the improper fraction, that should be 2 or number 3 over 7. Okay, we have the value for A, so we substitute into either equations 1 or 2 to get the value for B. So we substitute A equals 17 over 7 in EQ1. And that will give us 2 into 17 over 7 plus B equals 7. Right. So what you do is you multiply numerator times numerator. Please do not make the mistake of multiplying numerator and denominator. It's not done that way. So this will give us 34 over 7 plus B equals 7. So what I normally do is to transfer the fraction to the other side, and that will become minus. So this will give you 7 minus 34 over 7. If you take the LCM there is 7. And so this will give you 7. That will give you 49, because 1 in 7 will be 7. 7 times 7 will give you 49, minus 7 in 7 is 1, times that 34. And so your final answer becomes, if you do that math, that will give you 15 over 7. If you want to express that in a mixed fraction way, that will give you 2 whole number 1 over 7. So therefore, A is 2 whole number 3 over 7, and B is 2 whole number 1 over 7. If you have any questions, you can send them to my private chat, and I will definitely answer them. God bless you.